Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to recover disabled Discord account on Android. So to do that, let's just go to my Google browser and then type on the search bar Discord support. Then here, just tap on the first website, this Discord support, and then here on the website, just tap on the three-bar line here, and then you'll be given three choices. Just tap on submit a request, and then here, what can we help you with? Tap on the drop down and select on help support. Also, you have to put your email. And then here on type of question, choose this general question. Also, you are required to put a subject. And then after putting a subject, you can now describe what's the problem of your Discord account. So as for me, I'm just gonna type here, hi, I have a problem on my Discord account. It has been disabled. So basically, you're just going to type here all the problems you have on your Discord account. And then after typing all your problems on the account, just scroll down and tap on the submit option. After that, you just have to wait for approximately maybe 24 hours for your problem to be fixed. As long as you didn't violate any Discord rule, then your problem will be easily fixed after 24 hours. So that's how easy you can recover disabled Discord account on Android. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.